So to insert a header or footer in your documents, you can go up over here into Insert, and there's Header and Footer as an option. If you were to go and select Header, you can see on the top you have the header inserted just like that. So you can go over here and say something like TutorTube document, just like this, and click somewhere else. And what happens is that the header has been inserted in the beginning of this page and the other page as well. So it is inserted here. It's basically inserted in all of the pages, and that is what header is. Footer is the same. So if you were to go to Insert, onto Header and Footer, and then go to Footer just like this, there's the footer section. So you can see something like this is the footer, and then maybe I want to right align it just like this, click somewhere else, and you can see that it is there in all of the pages right over here. You can alternatively edit header and footer by double clicking on the top portion of the document. So here what you can do is you can go to options, remove the header as well, just like this. So you can go over here, remove the footer, and it has been removed. You want to add it again on the top portion, simply double click and the header will be added. So this is the new header. As you can see right over there, you scroll down and you can see that there's the header right over there. So let me just go over here on and type in TutorTube Google Docs tutorial, and then on the bottom I'm just going to type in keep on learning, just like this, and then right align it, and that's it. You can see that header and footer has been now applied in all of the pages. And you want to repeatedly say something like this, you can just use header and footer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.